Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the topic given, which is, can you customize spending categories in the Emma Finance app? The straightforward answer is, yes, you can create and use your own custom spending categories in the Emma app. However, this feature is not included in the free version. Custom categories are a premium feature, typically available with an Emma Pro or Emma Ultimate subscription. The default categories that come with the app cannot be edited or removed, but the ability to create new, personalized categories is available to paid users. Here is a quick overview of how it works for those with a Pro or Ultimate plan. When you select a transaction in your activity feed, you can choose to change the category. From there, you have the option to add new and create a custom category with a unique name and icon. Once created, you can then assign that custom category to your transactions and even set specific budgets against it. This level of customization is very helpful for getting a more granular and personal view of where your money goes, beyond the standard categories provided by the app. It allows you to tailor your financial tracking to your exact needs and spending habits. To edit or delete a custom category later, you would typically go to a section dedicated to custom categories within the app settings or plan benefits section. So, while the free version is more limited, upgrading to Emma Pro or Ultimate unlocks the full customization potential for your spending categories. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.